Today I went riding my bike and I came across this ruins of an old house, and I decided this might be the perfect place to do a quick photo shoot of my RnineT, and also to talk about retro clothing. There's not much on the internet to explain where you can buy your retro clothes, and yeah, I'll take some nice photos of the clothes that I've got, and then I can also explain to you what models I've got and where to buy the clothes. G'day guys, today I want to speak to you about retro clothing. A lot of us buy retro bikes, and then the one thing that you need is you need clothes that goes with it. I mean, it's no need having a naked bike and you've got all your racing suits and it just won't fit with the bike. Well, that's according to me. When I bought my RnineT BMW, I decided to get myself some new clothes. So I opted for the open face helmet from BMW, and all the clothing that I bought was from Motorrad BMW. And the helmet that I bought was BMW's new Bowler helmet, and they had to import it for me from Germany. They didn't have it in South Africa. So I then told them, get me the goggles that goes with it, and I also took the leather mask that also works with your bowler helmet. This is quite nice, especially when you do long distance traveling, and you can put this leather mask on and it just protects your face a little bit better. The jacket that I got was a brown jacket from BMW. It's called the double R jacket, and yes, it's nice, retro style. It's got the BMW logo. It's also nicely embroidered. And then the boots that I got is this urban boots. Goes with the outfit. And then the gloves is this leather gloves from BMW. Guys, the thing is, why do one buy a retro bike? To me, it's going back to basics. Why did we fall in love with riding our motorcycles? It was the wind in our faces, the feeling of freedom. I mean, I also had a super sport bike, but you sit behind the fairing, you do 200 kilometers, 200 plus. This isn't what it's about for me. On this bike, I can also do my 200 plus if I want to, but it's not what it's built for. I want to do 140 at the most on the highway and just enjoy the ride. Wind in my face, the feeling of freedom. And the other nice thing about the RnineT is you can customize it to how you want it. And this is exactly what I did. When I bought the bike, it was really not nice to look at, especially the tailpiece. I hated that long tailpiece that it had. And then I went for Wunderlicht parts. You can also buy it from BMW. And Wunderlicht is built in Germany. German products for me equals quality. The manufacturing is up to standard. Quality is top class, and I opted for a single seat. I modified my exhausts, and I fitted stealth performance exhausts on my bike, and then these long mirrors, I replaced them with the drop down mirrors, and the flicker lights is also customized with a back brake light. And then my number plate holder is on the side above the shaft, like in the olden days in the 50s style. So yeah, if you buy your retro bike, then make sure that you can get your your clothing from the suppliers like BMW. There's also a lot of aftermarket products, clothing that's very good. But yeah, I decided to stick with BMW. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to the channel.
Mm-hmm.